Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the flash drive format and that you have files to move. Plug the drive into a working USB port. Make sure it seats fully. Once inserted, wait for the system to recognize it. You'll see a notification or new drive letter. If nothing appears, try a different port or the laptop's file manager. You do this because an unsupported format or loose connection prevents access. Resolving that first saves time when you begin file transfer. You now open your file manager and navigate to the USB drive. Drive names vary but usually show as a removable volume. Drag and drop folders or use copy-paste for precise placement. If moving many files, consider copying then deleting after verification. While copying, watch the progress bar and estimated time. This helps spot stalled transfers. Once done, open a transferred file to confirm integrity. Doing these checks prevents data loss and avoids repeating lengthy transfers unnecessary. You finish by using the system's eject command to ensure all write operations complete. Pull the drive only after the OS confirms it's safe. If the drive isn't recognized, try it on another laptop to isolate the problem, and if needed, back up visible data and reformat to a compatible file system. When files appear corrupted, run disk repair tools like chkdsk or disk utility to attempt recovery. Keeping these steps in
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.